we're gonna try something new. We picked up these Turtle Wax, these Renew and Restore wipes. Picked them up from Costco. So that's how they're packaged. They come in 12 pack. You see these headlights? These headlights on the rig, it's pretty busted. So it says it takes care of hard water spots, scratches and oxidation, hazy headlights. So let me open these things up and then see what we're working with. Oh Lord. All right. Oh, they come up with some gloves too. All right. All the same. All the same. All the same. Yeah, all the same. Okay. All right. Directions. Wear gloves. Check. When the surface to be restored is clean, remove and unfold wipe. Rub the surface with continuous motion. Use full hand pressure and massage the surface for several minutes or until restored. For headlights or clear plastic, continue application 1 to 2 minutes. The wipe will continue to work up to 5 minutes. All right now, give it a shot. Turtle Wax. All right now. It's working. It's working. Oh wee. Oh wee. All right now. Oh. Oh wee. All my side hustlers right here. Oh man, you want to make some quick money? Don't need nope. Get these wipes. Check out these wipes, man. Oh Lord.
How easy is that?
Bro, it's just wiping. It's like, yeah, it's just wiping. That's all. Look at that. Let me see. I'm gonna go see if I got a clean one right here. Look at that, son. Okay, Turtle Wax.
There's a little haze on there, but
that little haze ain't got nothing what it looked like before.
oh yeah.
Oh man. If I had some busted headlights, a youngster said, "Let me do your headlights," and you came in, did me like that.
Those dudes at the gas station.
Yeah, these homeless cats need to come get on this. Forget wiping the windows. Look at that. Do the before and
Well, this is what it was right here. Go ahead and get this one.
let me go. I'm gonna use the same one.
Give it to him.
All right, man. So we know with these, right, with headlights,
Yeah.
the true test is what it's gonna look like tomorrow.
You just need some quick improvement. This is definitely an option. You know where you do the complimentary restoration joint. You know, not like the full restoration. But
Yeah,
like, I get that haze off, get you looking right.
When someone wants the real deal, when someone's trying to be cheap, you know what? I throw in some headlights. Let me give you these Turtle Wax wipes. All right, Turtle Wax.
Can't guarantee no time on these. Can't guarantee the longevity.
Nah.
But I'll get you looking good.
Yeah. Look at this. Okay. I'm not gonna get any better than that with these wipes.
So would you recommend these?
I would definitely recommend these. If you want to make if you like a DIYer, if you're the king of your neighborhood, dropping stuff off at the garage, Renew and Restore wipes. That's what it is. Look at it. Check it out. Check it out one more time.
It's not perfect, but it's a whole lot better.
Oh man.
We'll link these ones in the description below.
Renew and Restore wipes. Turtle Wax from Costco. 12 pack.
I don't know, man. Maybe like $20, somewhere in there. You can make some money off of that. You can make some money off that $20.
$20.
Oh,
Ooh,
with that Turtle Wax, we see you. Turtle wax. Don't count turtle wax out yet, huh?
Turtle wax.
Don't count them out yet.
Oh man, all you need is some mosquito off, huh?
Yeah,
it beats that stuff. Just get some toothpaste and some baking soda.
He's looking right. All right, before we get the day started, Sal, I need you to come over here and check out these headlights that you restored with them wipes. You tell me what's happening.
Oh, they went back. Oh, Turtle Wax got us, man. Turtle Wax got us with the okie doke.
Damn.
Oh man. Oh. Man, maybe I gotta read the fine print. Maybe they said to go over it with some sealing or something. But that's nasty work, man.
Them shits they look worse.
Bro, this is what the homeless dudes be hustling.
How long?
Not even a week.
No.
6 days.
I don't even think it's been that.
Bro. Turtle Wax.